current political climate, it's becoming more and more difficult to get any kind of application approved. So today I wanted to talk very quickly about a very little known application that's called Deferred Action. When people first hear that, they always think that it's DACA, Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, but it's not. It's a different form of relief that's the same type of status, Deferred Action. And basically this is kind of off the beaten track. It's filed with the USCIS office that has jurisdiction over wherever you're living. So for people here, it would be Philadelphia. And it's for people who are in situations where there's really no other avenue of relief, but they have a situation that really warrants being in the United States. So this is typically done for someone that has a true medical need. For example, if someone is diagnosed with cancer and needs to be in the United States to continue treatment, this is an application that we could file on their behalf. Or if someone maybe has a child that was born in the United States that's a US citizen and that child has some kind of medical need or requires some kind of special education, we can apply for the parent who might be undocumented to get deferred action. And what's great about deferred action is when it's granted, it confers a legal status on the person that receives the status and also allows you to apply for a work permit. So then you'll get social security number and a driver's license. And the status is granted for 2 years and it can be renewed without limit every 2 years as long as the person needs to continue to be in the United States for whatever underlying medical treatment or whatever that reason may be. So I would definitely encourage anybody who thinks that they might qualify to speak to an immigration attorney and check out and see if that might be worth filing for them. The other good thing about deferred action is because it's kind of off of the beaten path, I don't really see any danger in applying for it. Typically USCIS just declines to approve it and the application just kind of goes away at that point. You're not typically referred to court or anything that would put the family at risk. And this is really, again, for people who have a very clean record. I have had clients who have had past deportations and immigration violations get approved, but typically someone with a criminal history that's non-existent would be a good applicant. So give us a call and see if you will qualify. Thanks.